Oftentimes you can get them for free and then going to another business and selling. Now there's a guy from the simplestbiz.info, and he explains how many times he can make over $1,000 in a single day flipping pallets. So he would go around to a warehouse district, go up to every warehouse, see if they had old pallets that they needed to get rid of. 95% of the time they would give him those pallets for free. He would take those pallets, bring them to the pallet yard, and sell them for like $2.50 a pallet, and he was making great money. Then he found out that that pallet yard was selling those pallets to businesses. So he cut out the pallet yard and then went directly to the businesses who were buying the pallets. So he would go pick up pallets, most of the time for free from businesses, drive over to the other businesses, many times in the same warehouse district, and sell those pallets to them. But on his website, he explains exactly how he does this and how to go about starting a business like this. He says most heavy-duty type businesses, logistic businesses, will have a lot of pallets like this. He went through one of his typical days around 7:30 a.m. He went and picked up 125 pallets from one business, and he got those pallets for free. Then he drove 3.5 miles away and sold each of those pallets for $7.